Hey Aman, what are you doing?
Urvashi, I'm trying to make a tower with these blocks.
Oh, so may I help you?
Yes, sure.
Aman, please give me that triangle block.
Which block? I don't know the names of these blocks.
No problem. Aman, let's explore them. Okay, let's start with the basics. Look at the shape. This is a triangle. It's like a slice of pizza. It has 3 sides and 3 corners. Can you count them?
Yes. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I see it now.
Great job. Now, what about this one?
What is this?
This is a rectangle, like the door of our house. It has 4 sides and 4 corners.
Oh, like the door. I understood it now.
Exactly. Look at this shape here. This is a square. It's like the tiles on the floor. All 4 sides are equal and it also has 4 corners.
I got it. This is very exciting.
Now, let's talk about circles. Circles are round like the coin which we use to buy toffee. They don't have any sides or corners.
Oh, that's easy to remember.
You're doing great, Aman. Now, let's look at other shapes.
Sure, Urvashi. This is interesting.
Do you know what solid shapes are?
No, I don't know what solid shapes are.
Aman, this shape is known as sphere shape. It looks like a ball.
Yes, it certainly looks like a ball.
This is cylinder shape. It looks like a drum.
Oh, I got it.
This is cube shape. Can you think which object it resembles?
It looks like dice which we use for playing.
Now, Aman, these are cuboid and cone.
Doesn't this cuboid look like a brick and this cone like an ice cream cone?
Yes, they are. Aman, I have an idea. Let's play with these shapes and see which ones can roll and which can slide.
That sounds fun. What should we do?
We will try moving each shape on the table. If it rolls, we will put it in one group, and if it slides, we will put it in another.
Okay, let's start with the sphere.
Look, it's rolling.
Yes, it goes round and round. What about the cube?
It's not rolling, it's sliding across the table.
I see. So, round shapes like spheres and cylinders roll. But shapes with flat faces like cubes and cuboids slide.
That's right, Aman. You are learning so quickly.
Urvashi, I noticed something. These shapes can make patterns too.
Really? Show me what you mean.
Look, if I put a triangle, then a square, then a triangle again, it makes a pattern.
That's wonderful, Aman. Let's try making more patterns.
How about circle, square, circle, square?
Perfect. And we can also make patterns with colors. See? Red cube, blue cube, red cube, blue cube.
This is so much fun. Can we make a long pattern using all the shapes we learned?
Of course, let's try triangle, square, circle, rectangle and repeat.
Wow! Shapes are amazing. We can roll them, slide them and make pretty patterns too.
You are right, Aman, and you have learned so much today. I am very proud of you.